Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you where to find the manufacturing date of this laptop. So usually the manufacturing date is located on the back cover of your device, so I recommend that you check it first. Just close the lid, turn your laptop around and check the back side of it and look for something like MFG date or MFG, and next to this MFG indicator should be your manufacturing date. But in case you cannot find this date on the back cover, well, you can try to find the closest date to your manufacturing date using this devices, using the special software for this device. So the software I'm talking about is MyASUS application, where you can find the warranty start date, which is the closest date to your manufacturing date. And now if you cannot find the MyASUS app in your start menu, then you can download it from the internet. Just open your web browser, open the search engine and search for MyASUS. Then open the official ASUS website and click download now right here. Then confirm by clicking download here. You will download the installation file. Click on it. It will begin the installation. In my case, the app is already installed, so I don't have to go through the installation process, but the installation process is basically just waiting until the application gets installed on your PC. So there is nothing I feel like I should guide you about this installation process. So basically, once you open this application, what you'll have to do is log in. So I decided to log out to show you how to log in. Okay, open this user icon, which is the user center icon, and then here input your credentials, and if you don't remember your password, well, let's check if I do remember mine. Okay. You can use for example, the Google or the Apple or Microsoft signing in. So let me use the Microsoft because I already have the password saved. Okay, so let's log in using the Microsoft. Let's stay signed in. Confirm, and then on the same page in the user center, you'll be able to find this laptop. Click on it, and in this menu you'll be able to find the start date of your warranty, and in my case it's 29th of December 2024, and it's the closest date to the manufacturing date of this laptop. And that's basically what you can do about it. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.